Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the frigid, fascinating world of icebergs. These colossal mountains of ice are more than just frozen water. They're dynamic, beautiful, and hold some incredible secrets. So, grab a warm drink, and let's explore the amazing world of icebergs. First off, where do these frozen giants even come from? Well, it all starts on land, not in the sea. Icebergs are actually pieces of freshwater glaciers or ice shelves that break off and fall into the ocean. This process is called calving. Imagine a massive cliff of ice creaking and groaning before a chunk the size of a building crashes into the water. That's the dramatic birth of an iceberg. These aren't just big ice cubes, they're ancient ice formed from layers of snow that have been compressed over thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of years. Now, you've probably heard the phrase tip of the iceberg, and it's famous for a reason. About 90% of an iceberg is hidden beneath the ocean's surface. This is because ice is slightly less dense than seawater. The density of pure ice is about 920 kilograms per cubic meter. While seawater's density is around 10-25 kilograms per cubic meter, this small difference is enough to make these massive structures float, but with most of their bulk lurking unseen underwater. This is what makes them so dangerous for ships. What you see from a boat is just a tiny fraction of the real monster below. One of the most magical things about icebergs is their color. While we often think of them as pure white, they can come in a stunning array of blues, greens, and even striped patterns. The white color comes from tiny air bubbles trapped within the ice, which scatter light in all directions. But when ice is highly compressed, these bubbles are squeezed out. This dense, bubble-free ice absorbs longer wavelengths of light, like reds and yellows, and reflects the shorter blue wavelengths, giving the iceberg a spectacular deep blue hue. It's like looking at a giant sapphire floating in the sea. And what about those green or striped icebergs? Green icebergs are a bit of a scientific mystery, but one leading theory is that they form from marine ice seawater that freezes to the underside of an ice shelf. This ice can contain dissolved organic matter from dead marine life, which gives it a yellow-brown tint, and combined with the natural blue of the ice, you get a beautiful emerald green. Striped icebergs are even more visually stunning. The stripes are formed by different layers of snow and ice that have accumulated over time. Blue stripes are often created when a crevice in the glacier fills with meltwater and freezes very quickly, while brown or black stripes can be caused by sediment picked up as the glacier scrapes along the ground. As they drift through the ocean, icebergs are constantly changing. They melt, crack, and can even flip over entirely. This flipping process, known as capsizing, is incredibly dramatic. As the iceberg melts from the top and bottom, its center of gravity shifts. When it becomes too unstable, it can suddenly and violently roll over, revealing a completely new, sculpted shape that was previously hidden underwater. These sculpted forms are truly nature's art, carved by the wind and waves into fantastical arches, spires, and caves. No two icebergs are ever alike. Beyond their beauty, icebergs play a vital role in our planet's ecosystem. As they melt, they release vast amounts of fresh water into the salty ocean. This process influences ocean currents and circulation patterns, which in turn affects global climate. They also carry nutrients, like iron, from the land out into the open ocean. When this nutrient-rich fresh water melts, it fertilizes the surrounding waters, stimulating blooms of phytoplankton at the base of the marine food web. So, in a way, these melting giants are giving life to the ocean around them. So, from their violent birth to their life-giving journey across the sea, icebergs are one of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena. They are a powerful reminder of the beauty and complexity of our planet's polar regions. I hope you've enjoyed this chilly adventure into the world of icebergs. What fact surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you loved learning with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration. See you next time!